Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious and Brassier Kitchen. Now this year, Mami Mobi Biara Aquaba, and ne yare kontomre any Agushi. Today we're making spinach stew. Thanks for watching. You into difference kakra wo ene de ne mu ne say mecho Agushi ne mu ansana ma start frono. Normally me dey good tomatoes ni me dey Agushi ni good tomatoes ni ba ene de no different. Rachel, Mrs. Tabacco. A YouTuber. And no say, well, not so who another YouTuber channel. And not try, you shay. You must never try. You, into time Agushi nerisi so no maybe blending me tomatoes and 4 medium sized tomatoes and garlic about 6-7 and then peppers habanero peppers and also me 4 to maybe blend it. See. I fine. Very so fine. Though me muna imuni na being because I catch what it say ebbing. It's ebbing time. Yeah, me na bebbing. Okay. See me here. Okay. See that is the sound. Here. Into me frozen onion. My number one. I will know much of it right away and I'll add my tomatoes. Hey, I'm this is a new woman. I'm getting cutting. Shabu and the Agushi and Sunni, but maybe you eat a Kobe and soy many in your papa until may I me and up me and I'm at it soon if I have time. May ink a say if you could in the clothing. Into yang Agushi in no say I. Salt. And they mix spices no. All pepper spice. Or my channel no so. Yes. Yeah, no should be eating. Hey. My dear. I saw a menu. So what you can imagine too. You can imagine too that I can't say. That is what I now can't share. Casa. Okay, this is a not so fine. mackerel. That's American mackerel and Ghana salmon. The other so hey, it's a wenu mune weni. When you so says they say it's our tetra maso. At a say, oh, cache, nti bomadia na ye bi mam. Na cache. Na obetros. Nti namen ye ne amekoto ye ne agushi ne ngoni nyina. Ewo Sweet Home African Market. Yes. Me wo video no wo so market ho nyame wo hon. Wo share video now. Wo be hu say ese wani. Ti bomaden nya bibia afre won. Untumi nko afre won na bisa se wo bia. Aha. Nya sanso a koho na wankasa fa wani akwhwe. Wo hwe video na bibia wo so. Tinu nim nyame wo ho. That's it. Okay. Just to say, I'm confirming. Spinach niko. Spinach niko. It is a saying, me messy sukakra. Tipe bibinia na beje fro. Why? Me de coco esiso. Yep, it is a saying. Me de Agushi no ribbon. Agushi negum. And you'll Ediane nabi. Hi, Mary. Hey, stay here for me, please. Yeah. This is no more yet. No father. I'm for papa. Buga. Nyadam for buga ni bi. Yes. Papa, mama. Froye. Froye. You mark and channel na shentim medical recon because and team papa so and Agushi no so me the inchine blend day nti ano no it tasted good already. No problem. For you come you yeah from ISFFF so be sure come around and found by ye but hey me catch us if you no IFA then so I say so good into sister me that's for tip no you me that's my rain fees I'll be commenting so I share me a bit this time now commenting ya bombarding now commenting na so no share videos no na subscribe so on subscribe ya na mo share me videos nyina no madam wasi YouTubers am share me videos nyina reading share madam wasi bebe. Thank you all my sisters YouTubers that share my video. God bless you. Make I serve myself. Oh, my plantain is here. Are you ready? See my plantain. Cocoa. Hey. For ye bustle. Hey, nam kaka. For ye ne bustle and cassa. Goodies. Mombray yen didi. It's banana, you're ready. So go. Say yeah. Let's eat. You are all invited. Panchiam pesi swabbing. Osho. Eh, who need to know? Eh, in the contemporary fro. Wait.